Today I show you how I remove the labels from one of these pouches. This is the Solognac X-Access pouch, the X-Access pouch XS Daily, and that's the code. And there is this label, and I also thought to keep this one, but eventually I thought maybe it's better to simply remove it so the pouch is more compact. So the way to remove it, I could use the Victorinox pocket knife from the pouch inside. I could pull the label from here, but it doesn't have a tear indicator with the scissors. I could use scissors here also, the same for this one, but I will use the Victorinox pocket knife. So I will also show you the inside, the contents of this bag. And this bag, I have it with me all the time now. And here I have one adapter, USB-C to headphone jack for the iPhone, if I want to plug in some wired headphones to be able to use that. I have some cash, icons, and a tape card. Pretty much that's it. I don't have an ID here. I have the ID in my phone as a scan, and I also put this thing here, so the pocket knife can't get away. It's tied to this pouch, and I can easily unlock it. This is the Victorinox Compact. It has lots of things, the pen and everything. Okay, so first I want to close the pouch so it's really solid, not moving around too much. Okay, I want to use the blade. Normally I would use a smaller blade, but this one doesn't have a smaller blade because it's the compact. Or I could use the scissors. I could use the scissors in this case. Okay, so I have to be very careful not to go too close, but I want to go really close to this, so there is not much of this left outside here. So this is a bit tricky here. Maybe I'll leave it floating like this, and I think that's okay. I didn't cut through any of the sides through the material, and that's good. This is what I wanted here. So I shake it a little bit to make sure it's not catching on any of the sides of the material. It's not gonna be perfect, but I really don't want to cut through any of the material. So something like this. I could cut through it a little bit more with the scissors. Trying to open this corner. Also, it's a bit hard to see with the bright light. I think this is good enough. Good enough for me. This label, it will start fraying eventually, so it's gonna get shorter and shorter. But like this, it's okay for me. And there is also this. I could leave it here because I actually sometimes I pick it up from the pocket like that. But I think it's not that useful by itself, so I will just remove it. And again, I have to be careful not to cut through the material. Okay, that's a nice clean cut. So now the pouch is more pocketable, and I can put in the Victorinox Compact back into the pouch like that with the clip. I have to make sure I can actually put it back in the pouch like this. So now the pouch, it closes. I will leave this piece of string here, this piece of rope, to be able to pull the zipper around, and also I could use this as a keychain. I could put it on the keys. It's not too heavy, so that's nice. There's also this way to attach it if I need to attach it to something, and it's much more pleasing to look at without the label now. I believe it's much better like this, especially that I have this with me as a wallet replacement to have the cash and also the pocket knife with a pen and scissors all the time. This pocket knife was nice to make some sandwiches a few times, so that's really good. Thanks for watching.